QR code for phone number. Here the field you can write the phone number with country code and copy the shortcode and just save changes. Now create a page to see the front end view. We will create a page named QR code for phone number and paste the shortcode and save the page, and then view the page. And this is the QR code for phone number. Download the QR, and this is the final output. Okay, now create a more QR code for phone number. QRC phone number, copy the shortcode and paste. In the field of number, you can input the phone number or mobile number. You can change the size, logo color or background color. I just changed the size 300, 400 and rest of same as the default setting. Okay, now save the page and refresh the page. Here's the another phone number QR code. Click the download button and this is the final output. Okay, that's it. You can create more QR code. You can create more phone number QR code with the shortcode attribute. You can create QR code for phone number with the element or add-on. This plugin has built-in add-on QRC Composer, as you know. Search QRC Composer, drag and drop, and find out the QR phone number and select and write a phone number. Input the field. Okay, and this is the QR code downloads quality. We will set 700, and this is the alignment. Click add a logo, upload image, choose an image and select, and this is the logo, and click enable download button. Changes margin, and now change the QR color. We'll choose the color, the green, and select. Change the download button, and background is select a light color for the better scanning control. And here the margin, you can see we will set is 0 and the margin is remove. I will set the download color, button color, and save the update and click for preview changes. When you download, you will see the download title will be the phone number here, and this is the final output. Okay, this is the QR code generated by Elementor. Thank you.